Hey folks, I'm back. Figured I'd do a cold start video for you. It's been about a week since I ran the Nova here. Last night it got down, I think they said about 12 degrees. It doesn't include wind chill. It's sitting at about 20 degrees right now. So it's a little cold. So give it a couple pumps of gas. It does have an electric choke, so we'll see how it does. It's still a carbureted vehicle. So I'll bring it back here shortly. Alright, something I forgot to mention here. Since it has been about a week, and I want to make sure, which I already have, check the fluids. Oil's good, antifreeze is good, brake fluid. Although I'm not going to be driving it anywhere, I still want to make sure that there's fluid in there. I didn't check the power steering because, again, I'm not going anywhere. So without further ado, let's see if it fires up and how hard it is to start when it's cold.
Try number 2.
So, I know I've explained it before when I was talking about the carburetor on this one. There are notches that are different height, kind of like steps. When it's cold, it goes to the highest notch, which is basically high idle. It opens up the throttle a little bit, and that's why you get that high idle when you first start it. And as it warms up, the choke plate opens up, and then it allows you to go to a lower step, which is less throttle, which is where we're at right now. So once it warms up, thermostat opens up, bring you back. That way you can see where it idles normally and go from there. Okay, well, we're now warmed up. This is about normal idle for this thing. Thermostat's opened up. It's been about 10 minutes. Now, on these old carbureted vehicles, you have to warm them up. Otherwise, they don't want to move. I know a lot of you out there watching this will have been spoiled by all these fuel injection where you just fire it up and go. But can't do that with this. But on the plus side, you'll have heat when you go to leave. That's it for now. Have a good one.